how my hair is looking. This is the style right here. You can leave your hair just like this, or you can do your baby hairs. I love to do my baby hairs. So I'm gonna film a baby hair tutorial coming up next. Stay tuned for part 2. Hi everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Sadrian. I make natural hair content and protective styles content. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do 2 puffs on your natural hair. My hair is incredibly short right now. I cut my hair into a bob. If you guys don't know, if you are new to my channel, I cut my hair into a really short bob. So my hair is short. So let's get right into the video. The first thing I did was I sprayed my hair all over with warm water. You want to make sure that you work on damp to wet hair. So yes, the first thing you do, you want to spray your hair with water, and I already did that. You can tell that my hair is a little damp with water. The second thing I did was I added a custard to my hair to give my hair a little bit more slip. So I added a coiling custard. I used the Molly coiling custard. This is my favorite custard. If you want to purchase this custard, I will link it down below. The third thing you will need is the Cream of Nature edge control. You can use any edge control, but this is my favorite edge control. This is the only edge control I use on my natural hair. If you want to purchase this edge control, I will link it down below as well. You will need bands. You'll need a brush, a detangling brush, and then you need your favorite gel. So I always use edge control and a gel for my puffs. It makes my puffs look more sleek. You could use either or, a gel or a edge control. You don't have to use both like me. This is just how I like to do my puffs. So just do what works for you. Also, this will be a part 1 video. My second video, which will be part 2, is how to do my baby hairs. It will be like 2-part videos. So yeah, let's get right into it. Make sure that you make a straight part going down the middle of your hair. I already did that off camera. So yeah, that's the first thing you want to do. I'm going to be working with my left side first. So I'm going to take this side out the way, and I'm just going to band it out the way. I'm going to take a scrunchie and take this side out the way for now. So yeah, some people think that they can't achieve 2 puffs in their hair when their hair is short, but I'm showing you that you can. My hair is short because I cut my hair into a bob, but you can still do so many styles with your short natural hair. A little bit more water to the section, making sure that my hair is like really damp. You want to make sure your hair is damp, easy to work with, so that's what you want to do first. Then I'm going to take my detangling brush just to sleek my hair down a little bit. And you can like try to figure out how high or how low you want your puffs to be. I like my puffs to be a little bit more high, so yes, all a personal preference. This is a boar bristle brush, and it's more of a softer bristle brush, so that's the type of brush I like to use in my hair personally. You want to make sure that you get the back. You see how I'm sleeking the back up? That's how you want to do it. Make sure you like brush it up really smoothly. You want to brush your edges up really smoothly. Brush like the front part of your hair, smooth it down really good. You want to make sure that your puffs is smooth and looking juicy. Take a good amount of edge control, and I'm just going to sleek it all the way down, all around my hair, all around my edges. Make sure you really get in the back of your hair as well. Just all around your edges. You don't need to use a lot of edge control. All right, so now that your edge control is all over your hair, in the back, the side, the front, then you want to take your gel, take that much amount of gel, and do the same thing. Just add it all over your hair. I use a good amount of gel. I love gel. Put it on the back like that, on the perimeter of your hair. The gel will give this a good hold as well. Sure that you brush it one more time before you tie it up into a puff. You see how I'm sleeking it down really good? Hold your hair in the front and then sleek it up. Take your hair bands. This is just elastic bands you can buy from the dollar store, or you can buy it from Amazon. I will also link this down below. So what I like to do is I like to make sure that I pull my hair out a little bit like this so that my puff can have more volume. So you just kind of pull it out like that. Keep sleeking it down, girl. Just keep sleeking your hair down really good. You can see how high I'm making my puff in my hair. And you can use either one or two. I'm going to use two at a time to keep my hair in place. Take my brush, brush it up. And add more gel. If you feel like your hair is fine, just leave it alone. I'm gonna add just a little bit more gel to the back. All right, you guys, I got a good grip of this section of my hair. So what I do is I'm just gonna take this and hold it down like that. I'm not gonna double tie it. I'm gonna let it go. So make sure that you're pulling your hair a little bit very gently and let it go. Just like that. And then you just wanna fix your puff a little bit, like fix how you want your hair to look. And see, I am very satisfied with the heck. Oh, when is my earring not falling out? Like, come on. My puff is looking very moisturized and I am satisfied with how that looks. Then you just want to repeat the same steps to the other side. Re-damp my hair. Tangling brush and just sleek it down a little bit before I add any product. Tangling brush to smooth it out first before I add any product to my hair. Take some edge control, sleek it down. I wash my hair in 2 days. I wash my hair every Friday. So I would just leave my hair like this until wash day. I can just put a scarf on at night and then put a bonnet on over this. This will last for the next 2 days until I wash my hair. My board bristle brush and just smooth it down. I also have a how to do a one puff, just like a full puff on my channel. If you want to check that out, I'll link it down below. I'll just link down my whole playlist of my natural hair content and also my protective styles content if you're interested in watching more of my videos. Got some gel, just add it all around my hair. Okay, so now that I got my puff in place, gather all your hair together and just kind of pull it out a little bit. And then you just want to take your bands and hold it in place like that and let it go. You can double band if you want, but I prefer to just like leave it alone. It's less tension on my hair as well. So that's pretty much it. Then I'm gonna do my baby hairs off camera because I want to film that as a separate video. How my hair is looking. This is the style right here. You can leave your hair just like this, or you can do your baby hairs. I love to do my baby hairs. So I'm gonna film a baby hair tutorial coming up next. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Bye.